minute and start videoing them. I'm gonna keep my speed limit. Okay, I'm gonna come in here. No, he's not coming in here. He's got a cowboy hat kind of guy sitting up in the front. Laura, right here.
No, I know.
Look at it. They're filming me. It's a white lady in a car, government vehicle, A362570. Lower your window. I can't get a good visual on you. Chicken killers right here. Take a look. Chicken killers. Buck, buck, buck. Killers right here. Government plates. You filming this? Chicken killers. She's filming me. All right. Government plates, folks. Gavin Newsom. Lights turning green. Cowboy hat. Government vehicle. I hope Laura saw that. Thank you very much. All right, heading northbound on Etiwanda. So somebody got it. Boy, these people think we're stupid, huh? Did you see my driver? Huh? That's a chicken killer. The government's coming down here to kill our chickens, take our guns. That's next. I'm gonna get off live. Got to talk to some people.